top-down analysis. Of course, you can listen to how it sounds. Top-down analysis. As a trader, it's compulsory for you to know how to do top-down analysis, whether you're a day trader, a scalper, or a swing trader. Either you're day trading or you're scalping or you swing trade, you must know how to do top-down analysis. In order to do top-down analysis, you must know how to use different time frames. Of course, if you can see on TradingView here, we have different time frames here. You can see we have the 1 minute time frame, we have the 3 minute, we have the 5 minutes, we have the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the weekly and the daily. So if you can see here now on these time frames here, you can see that I put those stars, I clicked on, I put those stars signature there. You can see it's a signal for you to identify that I make use of the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 30 minute time frame, the 15 minute time frame, down to the 5 minute time frame. All right, so there are different time frames here on TradingView. So guys, this is a chart on gold market on the 1 hour time frame. If you can see here, this is a chart on the 1 hour time frame. So now, before I do my top-down analysis, I do like to go down to the weekly time frame. Now, why do I go to weekly time frame? I am going to the weekly time frame to check the directional bias of the market for that week, all right? To see what the market is doing for that week, to see the pattern the market, the gold market is creating, all right? So now, if we should zoom off now, what do we have here on the gold market here? If we should zoom, if we should shrink our chart just like this now, let me take the buttons here real quick. So now what do we have here? We have this gold market coming to the upside, giving us a higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, a higher low. We have a drop, we have a higher highs, and we have a higher lows. All right, so now we have higher highs, we have higher lows. But what did the market do here? The market refused to give us another higher highs just like this. Instead, the market came to retest on this recent resistance zone, on this recent higher high, and pull down just like this. And now we have this support here, we have this support here. Now we have this bullish candle here. So if you can see, this is a bullish candle on the, just like this. This is a bullish candle here on the weekly time frame, all right, telling us that we should be looking to buy the gold market throughout this week, all right? So that is my confirmation from the weekly time frame. Now I am not doing anything on this weekly time frame. I will have to go down to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, guys. We have the market going all the way up, giving us a higher highs here, higher lows, higher highs here, and now we'll have a higher lows. We have a higher highs on the daily time frame, right, just like the weekly time frame. Now the market give us a higher low, but right now the market refused to give us another higher highs. Then the market give us a lower highs, so making this now a lower lows. Then we'll have a lower highs, lower lows, then we'll have a lower highs. Then now the market refused to give us another lower lows just like this. Instead, the market came down to retest on this support zone just like this, giving us telling us that yes, this market may be creating a pattern to go to the upside. This means we may be looking to buy gold throughout this week. So that is why that is how I'll start doing my analysis now. So if you can see now, this is our daily support just like this on the gold market. You go to setting, you go to text there, then you click on D, identify it as the daily time frame. You can put it there as the daily support. Then I'll have to clone this now. Come to the I'll have to clone this now. Then I'll put it at the daily resistance there. So now this is the structure, the gold structure from the daily time frame. Now, do we still have other zones? Do we still have other key levels here? Yeah, if you can see here now on the gold market now, if you can see here, this was a support before. You can see that the market broke. You can see the market broke that support here. Just like this. Let me show you guys that this was a former support here. The market broke it, come back to retest here, make it a resistance, and ever since then the market has been consolidating in this phase, all right? But what we have in here in this market now, what we have in here in this market now, we may have the market push up like this, just like this, break this level, come down to retest, then we may start looking to buy. Because as you can see now from the bigger time frame, the gold market is buying, all right? So now we'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame just like this, around this level. That is when we'll be looking for our key levels, other key levels on the 4-hour time frame. So now what are we having here? If you can see this level now, this is also a key level here on the 1 hour, on the 4-hour time frame. You can see here, this is also a resistance zone. And now on that resistance zone right now, the market is respecting it, all right? A resistance zone. If we extend it to this level, you can see it was before let me widen that a little bit. just like this. All right, so right now we have a resistance here, and we have a support extended all the way to this level. You can see we still have that resistance at this level. The market broke it, give us an engulfing candle, bullish engulfing. The buyers couldn't take control of the market as at this level, then the sellers took control of that market as at that level. So now do we still have any other zones here? Yes, if I should clone this level now and clone right now, come to this level, you can see now that if we see at the back here, we have this resistance. So it was a resistance extended to this level. Then we have a support, just like this. You can see all the way to this level. The market is still respecting this level, right? So now if you notice anything, now this is a resistance zone, right? This is a resistance zone, a resistance, and a resistance here, then a resistance here. You can see that this is also a resistance. So now we will have to go down to our 1 hour time frame for the market to come down to our POI, which is point of interest. Now what am I expecting on this gold market now from here, from this level? Now if you can see, now this is also a level on the 1 hour time frame. All right, this is also a level here on this 1 hour time frame, just like this, around this level. Now if we should make use of our Fibonacci retracement, guys, you can see, take it from the swing low to the swing high, just like this. You can see, let's see, the market is respecting this level. You can see that this is a 618, and we have our zone there, you understand? So the market may likely push down, come down, pull back to retest on this level, just like this, and give us a retest, right, which is 1 hour retest. Then we will have the market break this level again, pull back again to retest. Then we'll start looking to buy the gold market. But overall signal from here, now I'll be looking to buy the gold market just like this, from this level to this level, just like this, you understand? So guys, this is the best way to do top down analysis, and this is how I do my top down analysis. Yeah, most of you may be asking, now do I take trade on the 1 hour time frame? No, I do not take trade on the 1 hour time frame. Whenever the market pull back to retest on this level, I will look to buy here on the 15 minutes time frame or the 5-minute time frame, just for small just for me to get a good entry, you understand, and for my stop loss not to just be big like that, you feel me? So right now I'll just be targeting the first TP will be here, which is around 1 to 4. My first my SL will be 30 pips on gold. Yeah, that my stop loss is always 30 pips on gold. So the first TP will be 1 to 7, all right? But when we have the market break that level, come back to pull back just like this to retest, then we will look to buy, and I will be having around 1 to 12 RR, you understand? So this is what I'm expecting on gold market. Today is Thursday. As at this time of doing this analysis, today is Thursday, you understand, and tomorrow is Friday, NFP. So we may have the NFP push it down just like this, you understand? Then we can look to buy, or break just like this, we can look to buy. So guys, this is the best way to do your top down analysis, and this is how we do top down analysis. So as a trader, you must understand how to do top down analysis, right? Before we end this video, guys, I got something for you guys. All right, so guys, I thought of a way to help you guys become a profitable trader fast. So I write an ebook titled The Advanced Forex Trading Course. All right, so now the Advanced Forex Trading Course is all you need to become consistently profitable. All right, the book is not like the internet type that has no value in it. You can never read this book and remain the same, guys. Trust me, you can never read this book and remain the same. I have uploaded everything that I learned for the past 6 years in this ebook. I mean everything that make me a consistent and profitable trader. Forex trading is not hard. We only make it hard, guys. The book is very few but essentially powerful, right? This book is essential, guys, to become a profitable trader. So now this is what is included. What is trading and how you can earn money with it. The fundamentals to become a profitable trader. Why 90% of traders lose money and how to be part of the top 10% that win. Main mistake of people who lose money, all right? Habit or what a trader does to be successful. What do you need to earn money from trading? Then the 85% win rate strategy, proper risk management, trade and money management, all right, good trading psychology, and many concrete informations. Now this is what I have for you guys, and I am also giving out a free 3-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this ebook. 20 people are hitting already. The clock is hitting already, you understand? Just make sure you take chances of these opportunities now.